Welcome guys, today I have for you a closing model CSG 2A618 wired for 220 volts. Off to the left hand side you'll see that we do have the coolant tank with a paper feed into it as well, and right behind the machine we do have the coolant tank. That being said, we'll get started with our hydraulics. A quiet little pump back there. And with that being said, we do have the hydraulics running, but you can see our table isn't. You'll just want to switch this knob over and we'll activate our table. You can change the speed, slow it down, do whatever you'd like. It's a little wobbly on top of the skid right now, so I'm not going to let it go flying. And then right underneath, you'll see that the table will do an automatic crossfeed at the end of every reverse. And that you could also change how much it goes in and out with the knob right next to it, so it's not going to do anything right now. And then if I bring it up, you'll see that it is changing its feed. This is automatic. This is a manual down feed where you'll have to crank it down by hand. But there is also rapid feature for the in and out, my apologies, as you can see with that. Or you could run it in with the cycle. Again, this is just going to be a manual down feed as you please. And then down to this side we do have the coolant tank, which only turns on with our wheel, which I'll get started right now. And then the coolant tank is able to work from there. So this machine can be run manually for the most part, with this being our table left and right. This is going to be our in and out, as you can tell, and then our up and down. And one more thing I'd like to mention would be our magnetic chuck controller right here, variable, so you could bring it down all the way up, and then it also does have a demag function as well. Little lamp off to the side. This is the original paint job for the machine, and that basically wraps it all up. So again, this is going to be the closing CSG 2A618 wired for 220 volts. Thank you.